ज़्यादातर, for the most part, for the most part। ज़्यादातर वह विनम्र रहता है। For the most part, he is polite। For the most part, he is polite। सरल शब्दों में, in simple terms, in simple terms। सरल शब्दों में कहूँ तो यह गलत है। In simple terms, it's wrong। In simple terms, it's wrong। अंतिम बात, as a final point, as a final point। अंतिम बात, आत्मविश्वासी बनो। As a final point, be confident। As a final point, be confident। संक्षेप में, in a nutshell, in a nutshell। संक्षेप में, मैं थकी हुई हूँ। In a nutshell, I am tired। In a nutshell, I am tired। वैसे, by the way, by the way। वैसे तुम्हारा ड्रेस अच्छा है। By the way, nice dress। By the way, nice dress। के अनुसार, according to, according to। खबर के अनुसार बारिश होगी। According to the news, it will rain। According to the news, it will rain। के साथ साथ, as well as, as well as। वह गाती भी है और नाचती भी है। She sings as well as dance। She sings as well as dance। इसीलिए, therefore, therefore। देर हो गई इसीलिए हम घर पर रहे। It was late, therefore we stayed home। It was late, therefore we stayed home। जब या जबकि, while, while। जब मैं खाना बना रहा था वह पढ़ रहा था। He was reading while I cooked। He was reading while I cooked। से या क्योंकि, since, since। मैंने उसे सोमवार से ही नहीं देखा। I have not seen him since Monday। I have not seen him since Monday। बाद में, after, after। लॉन्च के बाद शॉपिंग चलेंगे। We will go shopping after lunch। We will go shopping after lunch। पहले, before, before। खाना खाने से पहले हाथ धो। Wash your hands before eating। Wash your hands before eating। बावजूद, in spite of, in spite of। दर्द के बावजूद वह मुस्कुराया। He smiled in spite of the pain। He smiled in spite of the pain। जैसे कि, as if, as if। वह ऐसे बात करता है जैसे सब कुछ जानता हो। He talks as if he knows everything। He talks as if he knows everything. की वजह instead of, instead of. बस लेने की वजह चलकर चलते हैं. Let's walk instead of taking a bus. Let's walk instead of taking a bus. जब तक as long as, as long as. जब तक चाहो वहाँ रह सकते हो. You can stay here as long as you want. You can stay here as long as you want. जब तक नहीं unless, unless. जब तक कोशिश नहीं करोगे नहीं सीखोगे. You won't learn unless you try. You won't learn unless you try. चाहे even if, even if. चाहे मैं व्यस्त रहूं फिर भी मदद करूंगा. I will help you even if I am busy. I will help you even if I am busy. ताकि so that, so that. धीरे बोलो ताकि मैं समझ सकूं. Speak slowly so that I can understand. Speak slowly so that I can understand. अगर ऐसा हो in case, in case. अगर बारिश हो जाए तो छतरी ले लो. Take an umbrella in case it rains. Take an umbrella in case it rains. केवल इसीलिए just because, just because. केवल असफल होने के कारण उदास मत हो. Don't be sad just because you failed. Don't be sad just because you failed. जैसे ही as soon as, as soon as. जैसे ही पहुँचो मुझे कॉल करना. Call me as soon as you reach. Call me as soon as you reach. संक्षेप में in brief, in brief. संक्षेप में दिन अच्छा था. In brief, it was a good day. In brief, it was a good day. सबसे बढ़कर above all, above all. सबसे बढ़कर हार मत मानो. Above all, never give up. Above all, never give up. सामान्य तौर पर in general, in general. सामान्य तौर पर लोगों को संगीत पसंद है. In general, people like music. In general, people like music. अंत में in conclusion, in conclusion. अंत में हमें फिर कोशिश करनी चाहिए. In conclusion, we should try again. In conclusion, we should try again. दूसरे मामलों में in other cases, in other cases. दूसरे मामलों में नियम बदल जाता है. In other cases, the rule changes. In other cases, the rule changes. इस तरह, in this way, in this way. इस तरह तुम जल्दी सीखोगे, in this way you can learn faster. In this way you can learn faster. शुरुआत में, to begin with, to begin with. शुरुआत में चलो अपना परिचय दे. To begin with, let's introduce ourselves. To begin with, let's introduce ourselves. उसी कारण से, for that reason, for that reason. मैं उसी कारण से जल्दी चला गया. I left early for that reason. I left early for that reason. जैसा पहले कहा गया, as mentioned earlier, as mentioned earlier. जैसा पहले कहा गया, हम कल मिलेंगे. As mentioned earlier, we will meet tomorrow. As mentioned earlier, we will meet tomorrow.